You're welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you're new to this channel, you are highly and most welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you 5 toothpick hacks. 5 toothpick hacks that is just going to save your skin. It's just going to save you a lot of money. It's just going to save you time and all of that, because it's way simple and all of them are actually natural. Alright, so if you want to know what it all comprises, please do continue watching and don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel and share the video. Also turn on the bell right beside the subscribe button so you will be notified when I upload a new video. And if you want to ask me questions, please drop your questions on my website, follow me on Instagram, and let's dive into this video. Alright, for the toothpaste hack, I'm gonna be needing a toothpaste and then we're gonna be needing a ginger. Alright, and this is going to help for pimples. Okay, so what you're gonna do is that you're gonna grab a bowl and then you're gonna take in your toothpaste. Okay, and then you are just going to put in just a little amount of ginger paste or ginger, the fresh ginger, if you can, grab one, and then you will just blend this all together. Okay, it's gonna be looking somewhat really thick. Okay, but it is okay because it's gonna be okay if it's really thick, so it's gonna be gummy to the skin. Alright, so for pimples you are good to go. You're gonna use this, so you're gonna grab this for pimples and then you're just going to apply it on that particular place where you have pimples. Alright, like that. Where you have the pimples, and then you leave it on your skin till the following day and your pimples are all gone, like seriously. Although it's gonna be a little bit hot because of the ginger is gonna be hot and alongside with the toothpaste, but your pimples will be gone. Alright, now for pink lips, you're gonna be taking a little bit of the toothpaste and then you're gonna be mixing it with brown sugar. Alright, then you're just going to mix this really great. Okay, this is just going to help in exfoliating your lip. Okay, so you're gonna mix it really great, and then you're just going to take this and then you apply it on your lip and you exfoliate it. Okay, exfoliate it and massage really well. You exfoliate it and massage really well. Okay, just like that. Now the next day you do that. In 3 days you are going to be having a pink lip with this toothpaste and sugar scrub. Now for stretch marks, you're gonna be needing aspirin. Okay, and then you're just gonna be putting that into a bowl. So you're gonna crush the aspirin. Alright, you crush it. Okay, and then you have to make it really smooth. Okay, so that it's just going to be smooth on your skin while you apply it. Now after that, you press in the toothpaste in it. Okay, then you would blend it really well. Okay, now after that you have to take the treatment, apply it in a place where you have stretch marks, and then you would scrub it really well. Okay, You scrub it really well, okay, just like what you see me do right now. Scrub it really well. You scrub it for like 1 minute, all right, and after that you hold it for like 1 hour, then you go rinse this off. Okay, for wrinkles you're going to be taking a little bit of the paste, and then you are gonna be needing fuller's head or multani meaty. All right, so you're going to pour that into it, and you're going to be mixing this all up. Okay, if you have wrinkles anywhere, you mix this all up just like what I'm doing right now, and then you just apply this on that part in which you have wrinkles. It's just gonna be super duper soft on the skin. Okay, you apply that. If you have wrinkles on your jawline, on your face, you apply this generously on your face, and then you give it a little massage. It's gonna be really smooth, like a baby's buttocks, like really smooth. Okay, so it's gonna help you remove wrinkles and fine lines. So when you massage after 1 minute, then you go rinse this off and you're good to go. Alright, to unclog the pores and blackheads and whiteheads, you have to take your toothpaste, and then you'll be needing a yogurt. Alright, so you're going to be turning the yogurt into the toothpaste. Then we're just going to be mixing these two ingredients together. Okay, and then you're going to be using a toothbrush. Okay, and then you're going to be applying this treatment on that part in which you have a clogged pores. Okay, you're going to massage it this way to unclog all of the pores. All right, then you massage it in a circular motion also. It will help in unclogging all of the pores. All right, and you are good to go. Okay, so you're gonna be leaving this for like 1 minute, and then you go wash it off with a cool water. Alright guys, so that's it. Those are the 5 different types of way in which you're going to get rid of wrinkles, get pink lips, and all of that. So you can try that out, and it's just going to save you a lot of time and money. Okay, it is way simple and very effective. And also know that if you try it once, it does not go off, you have to give it another try and another try. Okay, and it's just going to go, because it is not miracle. It's something that you have to be consistent, because it is natural. There's no chemical or no preservative. Okay, so you have to give it time to work, and you are good to go. So if you did love this video, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the bell right beside the subscribe button so you will be notified when I upload a new video. Please share this video, and also follow me on Instagram. Drop your questions on my website, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Stay beautiful. Bye guys.